Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Svartisen Glacier. This is the second largest glacier in the Norway and it's covering 370 kilometers square. So you want to reach here, you need to pass over Hollandsfjorden. There is a shuttle boat and you will take the shuttle boat from Hollandsvik and you'll go to Svartisen. This shuttle boat will cost you 210 per adult. There is a breath to a cafe. You can have coffee and something to eat here. And so you don't want to climb up. You can see the glacier from here also. And if you want, you can see from Hollandsvik either. Once you get off from the boat, you need to walk in the gravel road. It's 3 kilometers and it is possible to have a bicycle. You can rent it also. कि आप थर्स्टी हो तो आप वाटरफॉल से पानी भी ले सकते हो. जब आप वो ग्रेवल रोड एंड करोगे आपको कम वाटरफॉल्स मिलेंगे. So this is the point where gravel road ends. So you're renting the bicycle. You need to park it here and then you need to walk from here. And this is the point where actual hiking begins. When you park your bicycle, you will have a really rocky trail. And so you want to pick, it's a red line or red lines go where you can touch the glacier, and the blue ones goes to not touch the glacier. So the blue one is a bit easy and the red one is really hard. I'm just 7, so we chose the blue marking because that was allowed for kids, and the red one was not allowed for kids. Or the kid and the parents need to be a good climber to go in the red one. And some parts can be very simply like the waterfall can drive.
We are close now, or
No,
no?
it looks close, but it's further.
Okay.
But
How
there's
many more minutes?
The furthest point really is there's a triangle about this size.
Yeah.
The whole
And then
thing
I-
took us about an hour.
Okay.
From
more
the
than an hour.
bikes to here, yeah.
Okay. So from here it may be then
the
half an
route
hour.
is this.
Yeah, about, yeah.
It's not yet halfway, I think.
Huh?
It's 1/3 of the way you
Yes.
got down.
Okay.
It
Thank you.
gets very windy.
Yeah, very, very, very.
Very cold
But
and
when
windy.
you go up here, you will have two nice viewpoints.
Yes.
And then it goes in the rocks again, and a long time you don't see anything until you reach in windy part the top. So maybe it's not worth to go up.
Okay. Okay. But from this point you can touch it, or you can
No, and you can't touch it anyway.
Anyway.
You can't touch it because it's melting too fast in the moment, and there's a sign you should not go for
Okay.
long.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you. Same to you.
तो लोगों ने भी बोला था कि उनके लिए 1 आवर लगा था, इतनी विंड थी. See the view. It's really awesome. It's very windy up here. तो अभी हम यहाँ पहुँच गए थे और हम इस फर्स्ट स्टॉप से हम डिसाइड कर रहे थे कि हम इस फर्स्ट स्टॉप से ही नीचे चले जाए. ये तो आप आगे जाओगे, बहुत विंडी है.
This is the point actually.
हाँ. So you want to go more closer to the glacier. It's more way, but it's a dangerous with kids and it's windy. That's why we decided to go from the first stop back to the ferry. So now we are going back. Bye bye, glacier. continuing in moving, and so you need to have a safe distance from the glacier. It's my second time this hiking. It was rainy beginning hike because the first time was so hard. God, I just couldn't. I was so tired at the top of the mountain. You can find that link in the description box. We have a Lofoten video series, so don't forget to check out all of the videos.